Dapat yata mag-multi-monitor setup na ako. Let me see.
What? Ano na po, sir?
Sorry, biglang namatay yung ano ko.
Naka-double mute po kayo. Pwede na po yan. Ayun na, wala rin siya. May ano po kayo yung ghost user.
Sorry, ano yan?
Nagka-ghost user po kayo for mga 10 seconds.
Kaya, gamit akong headphones. Commit ba? Hello? Sige. Nagpalit ako ng ano yun. Nagkabit ako ng headphones.
Ayaw po.
Kasi medyo mahina. Dapat yata mag-multi-monitor setup na ako. So, y-axis. So when x is equal to 0, y equals plus or minus 6. Teka, bakit ellipse yung nasa drawing mo?
May ellipse yung drawing.
Yung, so ano yung asymptotes? At ano yung, I think mas maganda, drawing mo yung asymptotes. So get the asymptotes first. So y is equal to square root of 1 plus x square. So, okay, so y equals, hindi, balik tayo sa equation. So, solve for y. So, y equals plus or minus square root of, so, 1 plus x squared over 25 suot ko na rin. So y equals 1, so 36 plus 36x squared over 25. So y equals 6 over 5 x square root of 25 over x squared plus 1. Okay. So plus or minus 6. Wait, bakit 5, 6? Tingnan mo. So, ganito, solve for y muna. So y is equal to, from the equation of the parabola. So wag kang dumiretso sa asymptotes. Solve for y in terms of x. So 36 x squared over 25 square root. Tapos plus or minus, di ba? So y is equal, so pag finactor out mo yung 36 over 25 from the square root, ang lalabas ay 6 over 5.
Yung major yung makakuha. Major over minor. Tama pala tong drawing.
Okay. So, tapos, saan yung vertices?
Ito pong
Plus or minus 6. 0 plus or minus 6, di ba? So, ang kailangan lang talaga dyan ay yung vertices plus yung asymptotes. Tapos, i-sketch out mo na. Hindi naman exact drawing yan eh. Okay. Tapos yung auxiliary rectangle. Ah, okay. So, kung saan nag-intersect yung... Okay. So, sketch naman yan eh. So, hindi ako nag-expect ng fine, ano.
Dapat meron po kayo yung stylus niya talagang may ano po siya, may mga marka, may mga marka talaga po siya by the millimeter. Mm.
So, I need to share. Ano, bibili na nga ako ng extra screen, extra monitor. Ilan yung monitors mo ng ginagamit mo dyan?
Yung pong mami niya pong, ano pong ginagamit ng mami niya, may desktop po tsaka laptop. Kaya lang yung desktop po namin, ano po yung ano po yung luma na mabagal po eh.
Actually, baka
Baka pwede rin po ano, mapabilis.
baka ma-repair pa yun eh. Kasi kung, for example, yung ginagamit kong laptop ngayon, meron akong from 2012 pa.
Opo.
Tapos okay naman yung performance niya.
Wow.
Minsan ang kailangan lang yun i-upgrade yung RAM,
Upgrade po yan ano? Opo.
linisin yung fan. Kasi at
Opo.
saka mag-repaste ng tawag dito ng CPU kasi pag ang problema kapag hindi nag-repaste at hindi nilinis yung fan, umiinit. Tapos pag umiinit, yung processor may instructions na wag mag-boost. So nag-aano siya sa base level lang kaya may feeling kayo na mabagal siya.
Siguro dapat po ma-upgrade yung RAM nito kasi ano talaga po yung dahil nagtitipid kami before. So yung kinuha namin po parang pinaka-basic na desktop talaga. Ewan ko kung ano ba nito yung model, itong Lenovo.
Yung ano diyan anong processor niya? Intel na i5, i7?
Yan lang naman ba yung ano eh.
Ano ba yung Diyos? Parang baka i3 pa.
Mababa po na ay.
Opo, mababa.
Intel na parang 357.
Hindi siya 7.
Lower.
Definitely 5 or 3 lang po siya.
So Intel na i3.
Opo. Probably. Tingnan ko po. Nakalagay po, pension po.
Okay.
Diba? Pension.
Okay, mukhang nga, hindi siya ano. Kasi kung i5, i7 kaya pa. Pero kung Pentium baka nga medyo ano na rin siya eh. Pero hindi ko alam kasi kung anong specific na specifications niya eh.
Bakit po yung ano yung bakit po may ginawa pang yung Intel, may ginawa po silang Pentium? Why not ice?
Kasi may ano eh, yung specifications depende sa ano ba talaga yung kailangan mo at the moment. For example,
Tsaka yung budget na po.
kung hindi ka nangangailangan na mag-games na matindi yung graphics or for example office work lang ginagawa mo naman, kahit na pension, I think workable na siya eh. Kailangan lang, kailangan lang
Kaya
maintenance.
yes po, kaya nga dati po parang okay na po yung ano eh. Kaya lang ngayon parang lalo nag pandemic dumami na yung mga uses ng mga gadget kaya hindi na po siya ano, yung parang siya yung pinakamabagal po eh.
Actually, ginagamit kong computer ngayon. Nabili ko siya ng I think 9,000.
Opo.
From 2012 pa siya eh. Pero syempre, may mga ginawa akong ano na, in-upgrade ko yung RAM, nagpalit ako ng thermal paste.
Ay, napaka-upgrade yun. Ang bagal pati pagka mag-start po o kaya kahit na siya shutdown, ang tagal. Ang tagal po niya eh.
Pwedeng, kasi kung gaano katanda na ba yung computer? How many years na ba?
Siguro mga 10 years po ganun. Something.
Hindi, kasi kung binili nyo yun ng brand new ng 10 years ago, yung i5 of that period, mahal.
Opo, mahal po.
So, ako kasi yung ginagawa ko, hinihintay ko na magmura yung, kumaga, ang binibili ko yung mga mas luma, pero yung high-end noon.
Opo. Para pwedeng i-modify na po. Madaling i-modify. Ito talaga po,
Tsaka ano rin eh.
ang consideration kasi namin po, ano po yung dati inisip lang namin yung kakailangan ng mami niya yung pinaka-basic lang, tapos yung budget. Yung, yung cheaper ang inisip lang namin. Kasi parang magta-try pa lang po yung mami niya ng ng online na job. Hindi namin alam kung makakapagkuha ng job sa online. Kaya we didn't want to gamble. Kaya parang saving grace din po yung nag-online kasi ng pandemic na po, yung at least tuloy-tuloy yung job tapos hindi walang personal interaction ng pandemic.
Tapos iba, rising na naman uli yung COVID cases.
Kaya nga po.
Ano eh. Kaya hindi mahirap rin yung yung hindi work from home ngayon eh.
Mahirap po eh. Kaya nga sabi namin buti nakapag bakasyon na si Josh na na hindi pa gano'n sobrang init lahat na nasakto po. Kaya po nagmamadali kami, yun ang parang personal forecast namin pagka malapit na mag-May, delikado na. For so many reasons. Kaya yun mga sa Cebu nga po parang yung isang terminal shut down. May parang politics dun sa mga po. Kaya buti na abutan namin na okay pa.
Pwedeng gumawa ka ng barred coordinate system. I think mas madali pag ganun. X plus 3 equals X bar. Y plus 2 equals Y bar.
Translation of act.
X plus 3. Kasi yun yung gusto nating maging X bar eh. So X plus 3 tapos yung Y mo, Y plus 2.
Pagka ano po pala, since sobrang dami na pong problems pala na ganito, wala po siya yung pinaka-basic na x squared minus y squared equals 1. Hindi ba po yung mismong focus niya is literally the center? Mention cheese dapat to. Yes. It is the center nga. Close lang siya. Okay. I was suspecting.
Ano yun eh. So, ang pwede mo kasing gawin, drawing mo muna in the x bar, y bar system. Tapos, pag na-drawing mo na on x bar, y bar, i-superimpose mo yung xy, yung original na xy axis. Tapos, opening so when x is 0, so x can't be 0. Minus 1. So opening to the left and right, no? Teka. Y bar square is equal to... Wait, hindi pwede yan kasi di ba pag x bar equals 0, tingnan mo, y bar square equals negative 1. So the only way na may sensible na yung vertex has to be at... So tingnan mo yung sa no? Consider y bar square minus x bar square equals 1. Yung vertex has to be... So dapat hindi pwedeng mag-0 yung y kasi magkakaroon... hindi pwedeng mag-0 yung x bar. So hindi pwede na...
Nawalan po kayo
sige,
ng...
sulat mo yung y bar square minus x bar square equals 1.
So,
Okay, ngayon, is it possible for x bar to be equal to... for x bar to be equal to y bar square... y bar square minus x bar square is equal to positive 1. Okay. So, okay, y bar can be... tama.
your x
Iba yung
can
sign
be
ng...
expected to be 0.
So, pwedeng mag-0 yan. So, tama. Opens upward and downwards.
problem.
Now let's try that. This is number 15, no? 9x squared minus 16y squared plus 54x 79 is equal to 0. So group together is 4x. Seven is 32y. Kaya, simplify ko muna to. 9x squared plus 9 times 6. 16 tapos plus 9 plus 1 minus 1 x plus 3 squared minus 81 y plus 1 squared plus 16 equals 79. So 79, 79 minus 16 plus 81 is 144. Is equal to 1. So it's plus 3. So let's see. It's 1. So asymptotes are 16. So plus or minus 4 over 3 x y or plus or minus 3/4 x or teka, anong asymptotes in the x bar y bar system? Ganito. Solve for x bar. Balik ka dun sa equation ulit ng hyperbola. So x bar squared over 16 minus y bar squared over 9 is equal to 1.
Plus 16 over 9. X is equal to 16. Okay. So, X is equal to, baliktad, 9 over 16 kay Y.
At saka lagyan mo x bar, y bar. Kasi equation yan in the x bar, y bar system. Tapos, mas square root dapat yung 16 over 9. Hindi, ganito. I think it's worth doing every time. Using your equation, so, di ba, we have x bar square. So, start with x bar square over 16 minus y bar square over 9 equals 1. And then solve for x bar square. Yun muna. So, yung so may square root dapat. Plus or minus. Okay, ngayon, gusto natin makuha yung dependence for large y. So, bring out 16y squared over 9 from the square root. So, magiging 4/3 y bar times square root of tapos, di ba dapat plus dapat yung sign dyan sa loob, di ba? So, 16 plus 16y squared over 9. So, y bar square. So, if you factor out 16 over 9, ang lalabas ay 9 over 16 y bar square plus, so sa loob, 9 over 16 y bar square. Nasa denominator yung y bar sa loob. Tapos, ano yung isang term? So, plus so 9 over 16 y bar square plus plus 1, di ba? Actually, yung I think parang hindi ka para pag minimental mo kasi yung algebra, mas likely na magkamali ka eh. So, go ahead and show. Okay lang na isulat mo. Your paper is yung equivalent mo ng RAM. So, it's actually temporary storage. So, yung details ng calculation mo, you write on paper so that to free your brain to think of other things. So, dapat may plus 1 sa loob. Okay, ngayon, yung conclusion yan, how do we get the asymptotes?
tingnan mo yung square root term. Anong long yung behavior niyan for y bar approaching infinity? So, yung 9/16 y bar square approaches 0. So, yung term niya approaches 1. Tapos, so yung equation mo becomes approximately more and more like the equation of a line. Ano yan eh? Ako pagka hindi ko kabisado yung equation for the asymptotes. Ginagawa ko yan every time kailangan ko siya. Gagawin ko yung argument niyan. Kasi it's easier to remember than trying to remember formulae. Yan kasi meaningful. So, alam na natin ngayon na x bar equals 4 plus or minus 4/3 y bar. So, yan yung asymptotes. So, pwede mo na i-graph ngayon
yung vertex and asymptotes. And then from the graph, pwede mo nang i-sketch out kung ano na rin yung rectangle. So, do it in the x bar, y bar first. Kasi doon madali yung graph eh. So when y bar is equal to 0, x bar equals, yeah. Okay. So yung hyperbola natin opens in what directions? Okay. So asymptotes and then teka, tingnan mo yung equation ulit. Y bar can be equal to 0, di ba? Kasi x bar squared over 16 minus y bar squared over 9 is equal to 1.
Okay. So, nagkamali ako. Dito pala.
So, okay, so plus or minus plus or minus 4, no? And then y bar is equal to 3/4 x bar. Yung equations ng asymptotes. Okay. Ngayon, tingnan natin. So, nasaan yung origin ng original coordinate system? So, when x is 0 and y is 0, x bar equals, so x equals yung 0, 0 in the original coordinate system becomes in the barred coordinate system. So 0 plus 3, that's 3. 0 plus 1, that's 1. Ayan. So yan yung original xy axis.
And auxiliary sinabi mo auxiliary triangle. Dito rin yata. Ayan, auxiliary triangle. Bro. So,
Auxiliary rectangle, di ba?
Still.
Yeah. So sa mga ganyang problems, it's always easier to do everything in the translated coordinate system. Walang paper. Okay, so y square is 4. Wala pa ring external yung computer mo na yan.
Na-download na po.
Na-install na ba? Kasi yung nagiging problema natin, di ba, yung space eh. Yung external kasi, pwede kang magdagdag lang ng space at any time. Tapos, yung na-format mo yung paper na ano. Kasi yung pag ganito yung solution mo, hindi siya mahirap siyang basahin kapag binalikan mo siya.
Masyadong cramp. Masyadong cramp. Sabi nga na, sir. Sabi nga namin, sir. Masyado siyang cramp. Okay.
Parang ano yan, give yourself space to write.
What if I remove?
So yung isang number, I think that should have been a whole page.
It needs to be orphan.
Minus 40 equals 0. So
Then how?
So 3 y squared minus 8y x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals 40. Y minus 4 squared plus 4 x plus 1 squared minus 4 plus 4 equals 40. Minus 4 plus 3 times 16. So this is going to be 84. Minus 84 divide. Bakit hindi taga-agree ng sagot?
Mm,
3 times 16. So
40.
meron tayo dapat minus 3 times 16. Tapos
Minus 4. So 44 minus
so
40.
plus 4. So dun sa left hand side magkakaroon tayo ng term na minus 3 times 16.
Bakit minus 3 times 16 po?
Yung sa completing the square.
Opo.
Tapos so
Okay. So, ito pala minus. Yun pala. So, positive yung nakuha, negative yung. Pag na negative nakuha, positive yun. Okay. So very...
minus 4. So magkakaroon ka ng minus 4 plus so ang nakuha ko dito ay minus 3 times 16. Tapos yung isang magkakaroon ng plus 4 and then minus 40. Yun yung mga constants dun sa left hand side. So 84 yung nagiging total. Tapos parang may sign error kasi y minus positive yung 3 times y minus 4 square ko.
Okay, so negative po 2,000 positive. So,
Pag
negative
lumipat, magiging plus 84.
plus. Tapos itong something.
So 84 divided by 4 is 21.
Strange. Anyway, it could be correct.
Tapos yung isa, 28, di ba? Yeah. 7 times 3. So square, magkakaroon tayong square root of 21 later. Somewhere.
So apparently, Leithold forgot to clean up yung ano na po yung algebra. Sorry.
I think ano yan eh. Nagbibigay naman talaga siya ng basta may mga roots and may mga radicals, di ba?
Strange. Idea. What if I just bar the letters?
So, yung y bar square over 28. So, when x bar is equal to 0, tama. So, y-axis yung principal axis. Tapos, ano yung, teka, ano nga ba yung C?
Vertex po. D is focus.
Teka
It's
ya, paki-check nung ano kung 20. Kasi 'di ba, para mo ko yung vertex, pag bumalik tayo sa original equation, 'di ba? Our equation is y bar square over 28 minus
Opo.
x bar square over 21 is equal to 1. So the vertex occurs at x bar equals 0. So dapat square root of 28.
What's square root of 28? The square root of 7.
So square root of 28 is 2 square root of 7. Yeah, same
So
question.
square root of 28 squared. Okay, so 28 minus 21. Square root of 7, correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will make my marks by 7.
Yeah, I think kahit na yung decimal ano lang natin. So 2 square root of 7 is approximately 5.3.
But if I just graph this on decimals,
Pwede rin.
it would be space two space consuming po if I use the correct things. What is the let's say we from PDF. The x minus 1 and then what x minus 1 and then what wait okay, so x equals 1.
And then, graph mo yung ano, yung x bar square, yung y bar square over 28 minus x bar squared over 21 is equal to 1. And then,
Okay, this is the fake axis. And this is the true axis, or is it? Yes, this is the true axis.
so, x bar is, okay, ngayon yung sa,
X bar is x minus 1. So if x was 1, then x bar should have been 0. So if x is 1, it should be 0. Okay, so this is our fake axis. I think it should be the other way around. So we can make this the true axis. Okay, now this colored axis, the true axis. Good.
yeah.
Now, on the
So, x bar, x is equal to negative 1, y equals 4. No?
wait, what?
Teka,
Yes, okay. So,
so, graph mo yung x equals negative 1 at saka y equals 4. Okay, so yan yung ano, no? Ngayon, graph mo yung original equation. 3y square minus 4x square minus 8x.
bro. What went wrong? Okay. Good. Ah, ah.
Minus 20, minus 24y
Sa
minus
basis,
40. So,
theoretically, this should have been the true axis, but it is not.
y equals 4, x equals negative 1. Y equals,
Strange.
teka, parang may mali dun sa ano. Di ba y equals 4? So, bakit nasa ilalim ng y-axis mo?
Wait.
Pwedeng mag-zoom in ka dun sa equation, sa ano, sa ginraph, so first two na ginraph mo, yung naka-type, x equals negative, y equals negative 4. Dapat y equals 4 yan.
Y equals 4 ba?
Hmm.
So then, x is equal to 1 po.
Hindi. Ganito. Paano nakuha yung ano niyan? Y minus 4 equals, tingnan mo yung original equation. Y minus 4 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0.
So then, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X should be equal to 1 po?
Mm.
Yan.
At saka y equals negative 4.
Okay, it's not quite there either.
Kaya,
Parang, this
the
should
x
be
plus, sorry, x plus 1, di ba? Yung, patingin ng equation mo, x plus 1 yung ano eh. May
Wait.
mali yung equation mo. That should be x plus. Pinactor out mo yung negative 4, dapat naging x squared plus 2x.
Hindi minimento. It's really a mistake.
Yan. Okay, so nag-carry over siya.
Okay, so I decided to insert the entire solution.
And then, yung mga kinalculate mo naman panay in the x bar axis eh. X bar, y bar eh. So, tama na. X equals negative 1.
fake
y
axis.
equals 4.
Nice. Okay, then, this is some orphans.
Tapos ano yung equation ng asymptotes?
Equation ng asymptotes. Okay, so dito x is equal to 4 thirds. Dito, y is equal to
Remember, yung equation na kinukuha mo from the asymptotes, that's in the barred coordinate system. So that's y bar equals, tapos mas square root yung 21 at saka 28.
okay. So
So that should be square root of 28 over 21. X bar.
wait,
So 28 over 21,
hindi plus
that's 4
minus.
thirds. So
Alam niyo po ba na mag plus minus mo?
and ganito, teka, balik, wag ka munang mag-plot dyan. Balik tayo dun sa, sa calculation mo kanina. Hindi pa tayo tapos eh. That's in the y bar and x bar axis, di ba? So, yan yung equation ng asymptotes in the prime coordinate system. Yung i-graph mo, nasa unprimed coordinate system na. So, what we need is an equation in terms of y and x. So, substitute y minus 4 and x plus 1. So, y minus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 over square root of 3 x plus 1. That's the equation. So, plus or minus that, no? Wag mo na i-simplify. Kasi yung plus or yung mangyayari niyan ay kapag positive,
No.
ba? So gawin mo muna yung pag positive 2, pag positive, and then multiply by x plus 1. Tapos, yung next line, pag negative naman yung coefficient. Yan.
And then the auxiliary rectangle is just that rectangle.
Oo. I think, ano yan eh. Okay na makita yan eh. Tapos, alam mo paano i-graph yung auxiliary rectangle. Or, you could copy and paste that graph and then draw the auxiliary rectangle by hand.
Okay. Where's the orphan problem? Oh, there it is. Okay, so bye-bye. Let me move this here. Yeah. But na. Yung same thing again. But then, it looks like Playful did something. No. It was just that he moved the one to my phone. Okay.
Ano na to? Refill lang ako ng pen.
Gumagamit po kayo ng fountain.
Ano yun?
Gumagamit po kayo ng fountain pen?
Oo.
What? Gumagamit po si Sir ng fountain pen? Weird.
Actually, kung mura lang naman yan eh. Kapag, tapos, you use a single pen for You can actually use a single pen for the rest of your lifetime.
Palit
Ganun
na
siya
palit.
katibay.
Kasi
Tapos
mga
yung
ball,
ink,
nag-feel
mura.
po lagi mga ball pens, no?
Actually, pag paper naman, tapos hindi naman basahin yung pinaglalagyan, okay naman yung fountain pens eh. Tapos, hindi siya masakit sa kamay. Kaya ako gumagamit ng fountain pens. Dito ng ball pen, you have to press down on the paper. So, nasa-strain yung fingers mo.
Ayos.
Ultimates. Baka in the long run po, mas ano yun, mas economic po.
Hindi, tsaka actually yung isang fountain pen na kung makakabili ka ng Chinese fountain pens for 200 pesos lang eh. Or even may mahahape yung Pilot Petit na 100 pesos. And then refill ka na lang ng refill from bottled ink.
Ito nagloto po. Versus yung mga ibang ballpen.
Kaya lang ang problema naman sa kanya, maarte siya sa papel.
One. Okay now. So it's not an easy problem. Need to clean.
Plus 4y, yeah. Plus 4. Mm, 4x squared plus 4y. Yeah.
This was going crazy. Wait, so when it is plus and then plus, it should be the other way around. Okay, so this is y equals
A. Yeah. We're doing number 19. So 4y squared minus 9x squared plus 16y plus 18x equals 29. So 4y squared plus 4y minus 9x squared minus 2x equals 29. So plus 4 minus 4 plus 1 minus 1. So 4 times y plus 2 squared minus 16 x minus 1 squared times negative 1 plus 9 equals 29. So 20 plus 16, so 36.
Yeah. And then, translate na lang. Okay. So,
4 equals 1. So, x is when x bar is 0, y bar is so yung vertex ay at 0 plus or minus 3. Tapos y equals negative 2, x equals 1, yung new axis. Okay, asymptotes. Y is equal to 3/2 x bar plus or minus minus 1. Yeah.
yun mo.
Okay, tapos gamitin mo yung ano. I think yung asymptotes, I think gamitin mo yung dot instead of yung straight lines, dotted dun sa formatting. I think mas maganda lang siyang tingnan.
Format. I think something's wrong with the asymptotes. Yeah, something's definitely wrong.
Okay, so y plus 2, 3/2 x minus 1. Then, I think tingnan yung equation, tingnan natin. 4y squared minus 9x squared plus 16y plus 18x equals 29, di ba?
Tama na yata po. Ayun.
Yeah.
Asymptote talaga po.
Okay.
Bro, the way the dotted lines move.
Okay, so yung next, the hyperbola of the given exercise. Ano ba yung 21?
So that's rather easy. I don't know. So, okay. So, 7 ba yung 21 and then 13 yung 23. Mm,
Circles, ellipse, yeah, so yung hyperbola. Kampok. So for 21, teka, ginawa natin yung mga yun, di ba?
Abo.
So skip na natin yung 21 to 26 kasi from the start, ginagawa naman natin yung equations of the asymptotes.
In Los Angeles, in the exercise 27 to 36, obtain the equation of the hyperbola that satisfies the conditions. I don't know what this means. Y graph or something.
Sketch the graph.
Okay.
Tapos
Sketch.
yung dibuho, sketch, di ba?
Oo, dibuhe, yung parang portrait.
Oo.
So in the I have a pretty good profile already. Sorry. In the I went in black. And then subtitle normal. And exercise 27 to 36. In the region,
We got to 20.
the
20.
producing
Sticks.
Ano ba yun?
Ha?
AM.
A8.
AM.
And
27 to 36.
sketch that. Okay, so that is sketch the hyperbola. Okay, that's some nice mutual intelligibility.
So,
Oh no, I cannot just screenshot this. Vertices. Okay, so rather easy. 27 vertices. Bro. I'll just copy this format.
6.
For 2, 0,
And
2, 0. And I know this one. This ehe. What is ehe? Ano? Axis. Okay, yes. It sounded similar. Conjugate. Okay. Conjugate axis, yes. Then, okay, thanks. And then, focuses, foci at this one and this one, and the vertex. Okay. let's see. Vertex, vertex. Okay, okay. Uh, conjugate axis. Yung, ano yung minor axis mo? Or yung,
Yung ano, ah,
the hyperbola? Saan mo kasi yung conjugate axis na yung, ano, yung auxiliary?
yung yung conjugate axis is yung perpendicular dun sa ano.
Ito
'Di
mo?
ba may length from radius to from vertex to vertex? Yung line na
Okay.
perpendicular diyan.
Ito mo?
So hindi, alam mo yung rectangle, tingnan mo yung rectangle. Ah, 'di ba may tangent, yung length ng segment na tangent sa vertex.
Network segment. Ah, okay. So, ito mo.
Yan yung conjugate axis.
Okay, why is it an axis? It's not even a line. Strange naming. Okay, so length fixed. So, so ito po yung sasabi niya na pwede magamit yung the auxiliary rectangle to find the asymptotes and therefore the
Mm.
equation. Okay, I will sketch because it seems easier. 2, 2, 2.
The origin.
2, 2, 4, 6.
On y-axis.
The auxiliary rectangle.
Negative 2, 4, 6. Negative 6, 7.
Okay, so then the asymptotes run at about the this sketch. So it's actually kind of frustrating. Wow. Okay, I'm able to load my Jumbo Crash. Jumbo Crash.
Is
Okay, there. Load begin.
tapos yung lengths niya, 'di ba? Related yan sa A at saka sa B dun sa equation. Negative 4, 1. 36. Symptoms have tab 36.
Okay. What's the equation of a diagonal for rectangle? X. So 3, and then since this is 2, so therefore the asymptotes
Teka,
are
ano yung ganito? Ano yung expected form ng hyperbola, yung hyperbola na yan? Start with the working equation. So
okay.
x square over a square minus y square over b square. Ngayon, equals 1. Ngayon, hindi natin pinili yung y square over a square minus x square over b square equals 1. Bakit?
Because the vertices po are on the left and right of the x-axis. So it means that the
Okay.
principal axis
So
is
pwedeng
also
mag y equals 0, di ba?
no.
And then, vertices, so from the information about the vertices, we can get A. Ngayon, yung equation of the asymptotes, i-work out paano related yan sa A over B.
I mean, y is equal to plus or minus a squared over b squared x.
Square root of.
Wait, square no. So, wait, so there's a over b. Nice, okay. So, that's pretty much it. So, x squared over 9 is actually squared. Minus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay, nice. We're done. So, how many pages are left? Okay, I will have to
So,
the board soon. It's not easy.
okay, so yung ano naman tayo, 29. I think this is the last for today. Tapos, we'll meet on Sunday uli, ano?
Strange po ngayon tong Layfog kasi for some reason, okay, this stopped me in my tracks.
Okay.
Sus focus. Okay, central and origin. So the center is and the origin. Okay, what does sus mean? Something. I don't know.
Ano number yun?
29. I don't know what this means. So I will need the
Center at the origin, it's foci.
Okay.
At y-axis.
Okay, nice.
And then passing through.
It's foci on the y-axis, passing through the points.
Yes, negative 2, 4. Okay, so it makes sense.
It's foci on the y-axis.
Yes.
Comma, and passing through the points.
Axis.
Yes.
Negative 2 and 4.
Yes.
And negative 7.
And negative 6, 7. Okay,
Negative
6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6, 7.
Alright.
Okay.
So this is an easy problem. Center and origin. So then, or is it passing through the points?
Teka.
Okay. So if it's focus, foci.
So ano yung expected na standard equation mo dyan? Equals 1, no? So the foci, we don't know where the foci are. Pero we know that they're on the y-axis. That actually tells us kung na yan yung tamang form.
We can rebuild it. Okay. So it was
At hindi x square over a square. So, nagamit na natin center at the origin, foci on the y-axis. Paano naman yung passing through the points 2, negative 4, and negative 6, 7? What can you do with them? Okay, so?
Okay, so 4 over a squared minus 16 over b squared equals 1 equals
Teka, y is equal to... So, teka, yung unang equation ay... Teka, 2... Yung 4 is y, di ba? So, dapat y square is 16. I think nabaliktad sila.
okay. So, yung sa una po nagbaliktad, tapos yung sa second di na nagbaliktad kasi tumama.
Hmm.
Okay, so...
Okay, so and both of them are equal to 1.
So, both of them are equal to 1. So, they are by transitivity equal.
Okay, ngayon, so how many unknowns do you have?
2. A and B lang po.
2. Ilang equations ang meron ka?
2.
2. Pwede mo namang gamitin yung calculator mo para mahanap yung A at yung 1 over A square at saka 1 over B square.
Hindi ko po alam. I haven't tried yung
Ganito. Tawagin mo ang let 1 over A square be capital X.
Okay. So, if...
So that looks like, so 1 over A squared is capital X, 1 over B squared is capital Y. Kita mo na yung system?
Okay, so just a simple something. Okay.
So
Input
16x,
simultaneous
diba?
equation. 16x plus, minus 4 is equal to 1. And then 49 minus 36 equals to 1. Is there anything wrong?
Okay, so anong lumabas na values ng x and y mo?
8 over 95 and 33 over 380, brothers and sisters.
Okay. And then, talagang talagang yan ilalabas.
Okay, so then, okay, so it's not the final answer. That's why it's so ugly po. So,
Okay, so nakuha mo 1 over a squared equals?
okay, then you can get A and B.
Okay, and then 1 over b squared is?
So,
Ngayon, can you now write down the equation of the hyperbola?
okay, so I just realized there's no need to actually get A and B because you can use the Y over... wait, so this will... yes. So 8Y over 95. Oh no! What happened to my graph? It's bad. Okay, there. Start working. Equals 1.
Okay.
That's it.
Ayan. Okay, so we'll stop here and then we'll continue next time. Alam mo yung mga dating ganyang, yung makikita yung mga ganyang patterns, natutunan ko lang yan nung inaral ko na yung additional math eh. Kasi may mga problems na pag nakita mo yung pattern, mabilis eh.
Opo.
Anyway, we'll stop here. Tapos we'll continue on Sunday. So we'll meet earlier, di ba? 4 p.m. Tama ba?
Opo.
4 to 5. Sorry, 5 to 7 tayo sa di ba, sa Sunday. Okay, so we'll meet on Sunday, so regular schedule natin. So 2 hours ulit.
Opo.
Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll see you again on Sunday. Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.